What the heck is going on in this gigantic, complicated, globe-girdling system?
The Internet has become one of our most important infrastructures. It connects everything from people to machines in all areas, from the art world to the stock exchange, everywhere on this planet and beyond. But how does this Internet, that enables so many things in our daily lives, actually work? Technical University of Munich presents, from the makers of iLab Build Your Own Internet and iLab 2 You Set the Focus. iLabX, the Internet Masterclass.
Dear Windsurf, dear father of the Internet, we are about to create a course on how the Internet works. Could we borrow the Internet for a few weeks to explain it? Cordially, Mark Oliver.
Hey Vin,
Hey,
good
Mark
to see
Oliver. How are you?
I'm fine, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
So did you get my message?
I did?
So could I borrow the internet?
Yeah, you sure can. It's in the trunk of the car.
Oh really? It's in the trunk of
So
the
it's
car?
always there.
Cool, thanks. So let me see how the internet looks like. Oh wow. So this is the internet?
That's the internet.
Cool.
Please
so,
be careful with it.
I'll be careful with it. I will not drop it, and
Thank
I
you.
will make sure
That's
you get
important.
it back
And
in
I
time.
need it back, before too long.
Cool. Thank you so much.
You're
See
welcome.
you soon.
Cheers.
Cheers. Hi guys!
Hi. Look at what I just received from Windsurf himself, the internet, the thing that we'll look at in the course. You want to touch it?
Of course. Sure, yeah.
But be careful.
My friends. Television. Communication.
Information.
Email.
Find information quickly.
Free exchange of ideas.
Playing online with my friends. Communication with others.
Everyone.
The World Wide Web. Tinder. Wikipedia.
YouTube.
WhatsApp.
Google.
Stack Overflow.
Pokemon Go.
Information.
Communication.
Rule 34.
Fights on social media.
So how does this internet actually work? How is it possible that this picture here comes to your web browser and is displayed there? We look at the structure of the internet, which is layered, so we see different layers here, and we use these layers for structuring our course content. 6 parts here, so with 6 internet mountains, signals and cables. This is how you can directly connect to computers. The internet protocol, so how can two computers call each other? How can data packets find their path through this complicated internet? When you have multiple applications on your computer, how is it possible that the data packets reach the right application? Domain name system here. How is it possible that you can enter something like iLabX.ilabxp.com in your browser instead of IP address that you would actually have to use? And we look at how you can set up your own web server, set up the thing that is actually delivering the website right now. And in the last part, we look at how can we connect the new IPv6 internet with the old legacy IPv4 internet so that you don't even notice it. Plus, we look at something very important, namely a major security mechanism in today's internet, firewalls here. Throughout the course, we have different elements to teach you things, texts, videos, lots of interactive quizzes. Plus, we have something very special for our course, a hands-on environment where you will actually build your own internet using the tools, and therefore you can also connect it to the real internet in the end. For this, in Munich, we have a costly testbed here. We virtualized the entire thing. As you can see, in the virtual environment, you can do exactly the same experiments that you can also do here. And so in your computer, you can see everything that people can also see in our costly lab. In both cases, we use the same real tools. In the end, you have the internet. You build it even on your own computer. How cool is that? See you in the course very soon.